Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my fire alarm collection, and also some of them are broken, by the way. Here are my fire alarms here. Let me show you the brands of all of them. This is PC2WH System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced. This is a P2RL. Even this is from System Sensor. Horn strobe. Even this one is a horn strobe. This one is a Simplex 4904-933122-29, and it's a strobe. This is Simplex 4906-9129 horn strobe. This is SCRL System Sensor strobe. This is System Sensor PC2RL horn strobe. This is I don't know what this is, but I think it's DC2/12/. I don't know what that is. This is a System Sensor P2R Spectral Alert Advanced. This is a Gentex. GEC 3-24WR horn strobe. This is a HRK System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced, and it's a horn. This is a System Sensor SCR System Sense SCR Spectral Alert Advanced strobe. This is a System Sensor PC2RL Spectral Alert Advanced. This is a MSCO SH224C-3075110 horn strobe. Where's the part where this is a System Sensor PC2495W. Where's the I don't know what is this, but okay. This is a simplex. Hold up. Looking for the model. Okay, I think this is it. 4903-9403. Horn strobe. This is a simplex. 2099-9754. Let me fix a little bit of this. Got stuck in the shirt. Okay. These are all of my fire alarms. Goodbye.